Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. This is your oracle messages for the month of November. No, sorry. This is for December, Libra. December. Pauna mensahe ninyo ay travel. Wow! So, magta-travel siguro kayo ngayong Pasko. Maaring galing kayo sa ibang lugar. Sa abroad siguro pa kayo manggagaling, no? Maaring galing kayo sa ibang bansa. And maybe you are coming home, no? Para siguro sa pagse-celebrate ng Kapaskuhan, no? Maaring you're going to spend your Christmas season with your family. Maaring ganun ang ganap dito for some of you. Napakaganda. Mag-iingat kayo sa pagbabiyahe. Transformation. There are going to be beautiful changes sa buhay ninyo dito, no? This is an exciting one. Napaka-colorful ng butterfly. So, looks like talagang very colorful ang mga changes na to. Positive transformation ang maaaring mangyari dito. It could be in any area of life. That could be on a spiritual level. Maaaring yan ay pagbabago sa ganap sa relationships, family, trabaho, career, you know, it could be anything. Maaring ano din yan, pagbabago ng employer, no? Yun ang napipick up ko for some of you. Healing, napakaganda, napakaganda. Maaring ang iba sa inyo are healers, Libra, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo are healers and you are going to embrace your healing powers ngayon, yung gift nyo na yan to help heal the world, no? Yan ang aking napipick up dyan for some of you. Maari din naman na you are about to receive healing na ngayon. Maari din na yung healing na yan is ang iba sa inyo may mga iniinda sa katawan, physical ailments, maaring ganon, ano, and makakaramdam na kayo dito ng paggaling, maaring ganon. For others of you, that could be healing in your finances, diba? That could also be healing in your relationships, no? That could also be possible. Chaos, ayan. So, may kaguluhan sa inyo, no? Maaari talaga na let's say for example, siguro ano to, relationship issue or family issue, but since we have healing energy dito, so mapapawi na yan, mawawala na, maaayos na kung ano man ang chaotic situation dito, kung ano man yung storm na yan na nangyayari sa ano ninyo, sitwasyon, pamilya man yan, pagkakaibigan, storm man yan sa inyong relationship with your person, ano, kahit sa ano pa man, at it feels like to me na maaayos na yan because we have healing energy, no? We have transformation that's going to change yung sitwasyon na yan, whatever that is going to change. We have number 42 here, and 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 resonates with family and relationships. So, maaari talaga na ang chaos na to, yung storm na yan ay related sa pamilya or sa inyong mga relationships, no? So, rest assured, no? Yun ang napipick up ko dyan, no? That is going to change for the better. Meron na tayong healing dito, so magiging maayos ang lahat. Maaring magkakausap na kayo, maaring there will be compromise there, maaring there will be reconciliation there, no? So, this is beautiful, Libra. Yun ang napipick up ko dyan. Yun, matatapos na din yung storm na yan, no? We have stag spirit, leadership. Ayan. So, maaring yung transformation na to, yung change na yan is sa inyong position sa trabaho, no? For some of you, maybe you are going to be promoted to a leadership role na, and that is a change that could also require you, no? Yung pagpo-promote sa inyo, maaring that will require you to relocate as well. Kaya siguro meron din tayong travel because maybe malalayo na yung opisina ninyo from dati ninyong pinupuntahang opisina, no? Maaring malipat kayo sa ibang lugar, no? Kaya siguro may travel energy din tayo dito. So, what else for Libra? Love. Ayan. So, you're going to choose love, no? Libra ngayon. Kaya siguro mag-heal na din ang kung ano man ang mga problema dito sa inyong pamilya or karelasyon, no? Or kaibigan. Depende sa inyong relationship, no? Kung anong klase man yan. You are going to choose love, no? Mas mas papairalin ninyo ang compassion ninyo, yung kindness and love ninyo, no? For the person. Kaya, mas pipiliin ninyo na magkaroon kayo ng pagbabate, ng pag-heal ng inyong sigalot or ng kung ano man ang chaotic situation na nangyari between you and that person. This could also be love for yourself, no? Maybe you're going to be more appreciative of yourself na ngayon. Maaring you're going to be taking care, no? Extra pang-aalaga ngayon, pag sa self-care ninyo ngayon, no? Maaring ganun ang ganap. What else? We have happiness. Yan, magiging masaya na kayo. No, Libra, magiging masaya na kayo because kung ano man yung sigalot na to, kung ano man yung kaguluhan na to na nangyayari sa inyong relationship or sa inyong pamilya, you know, that is going to be healed na. Kaya magiging masaya na kayo. Magiging maayos na din muli ang inyong sitwasyon. We have life purpose, manifest your dreams. Napakaganda, no? Looks like, no, you are going to embrace na ngayon your life purpose, no? You're going to step into your life purpose na ngayon, and maybe, you know, kung ano man yung purpose ninyo, yung mission ninyo sa buhay, maybe that is what you are also dreaming of to do, no? To serve people, to show compassion to people, no? Maaring ganon, or to be a healer, no? To help heal the people around you. Maaring ganon din ang purpose ninyo in life, and maaring yun din ang pangarap ninyo talaga, no? Maaring that is really your dream that you are manifesting. So what else, Libra? We have forgiveness, compassion, and kindness. Ayan, parang na-mention ko na to kanina, na you are going to choose love ngayon. Magpapatawad kayo. Papairalin ninyo dito ang love ninyo for the people, no? Sa mga, kung sino man itong karelasyon ninyo dito, anong klase mga relationship yan, you're going to, to express your love. You're going to choose love, kindness, compassion, no? At hindi nyo hahayaan na masira ng tuluyan ng inyong relasyon with that person. At aagapan ninyo yan, no? Aagapan ninyo yan, at maaaring kayo dito magpapaka-humble, and you are going to step up, no, as the bigger person, no, at kayo yung mag-i-initiate ng conversation, nang sa gayon magkausap kayo. Maaring ikaw ang hihingi ng kapatawaran, maaari din naman na siya, yung other party naman ang hihingi ng kapatawaran sa'yo, no, whatever the case may be, your relationship is going to be healed, no, magiging maayos na din ang lahat sa inyo. So Libra, that's all I have for you for the week. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.